Good morning, students. So, today we are going to start with our new chapter of chemistry, that is lesson number 1, Matter Around Us. So, here is an overview of the chapter. In this chapter, we are going to learn about physical nature of matter, characteristics of particles of matter, matter and their states, that is solid, liquid, and gases, properties of solids, liquids, and gases, effect of temperature on these states of matter, and about evaporation. So these are the learning objectives of this chapter. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to discuss the physical nature of matter, list out the characteristics of particles of matter, explain the states of matter, identify the shape and volume of solids, liquids, and gases, list out the characteristics and properties of 3 states of matter, discuss the diffusion of states of matter, explain the force of attraction between the particles of the matter, and describe the effects of temperature of matter on changes of state. Now in your lower classes, you have studied about metals and non-metals, synthetic and natural materials, acids and bases, etc. All these are the examples of matter. The water we drink, the food we eat, the air we breathe, clothes, and various things that we use in our daily life are the examples of matter. But what is matter? Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. Anything around you which has some weight or has mass, that is considered to be matter. So this is the scientific definition of matter, that anything that has space and have mass, that is called matter. Now let us understand matter by an example. This is a picture of a living room. You can also consider your room in which you are sitting right now. What all do you see here? You see here sofa, pillow, table, book, windows, lamps, and so many other things. All these things have something common in them. And guess what is that? All these things have occupied some space. All these things have occupied some space and have mass. Therefore, they all are matter. In fact, everything in this universe is made up of matter. So I hope now you have understood the meaning of matter. Now your homework is to list the things which are not matter. We will discuss about this.